today's video, I'll teach you how to link Android to Windows. So if you want to link Android phone and Windows, what you have to do is install the application called Link to Windows. After you do that, simply open it. Log into your account. Now in order to link the Android to Windows, tap on the account icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option add PC that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to add your PC. What you have to do is open the phone link application on the Windows. After you do that, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. Now choose the device to get started. Simply click on the option Android. Now the QR code will be generated for your Android device. Now in your Android device, tap on this option I see a QR code on my PC. Now what you have to do is scan the QR code. Simply place your phone camera in front of the QR code. Now after you do that, you can see over here the QR code will be scanned. Now once you do that, all you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now a code will be shown on your PC. What you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you'd have to verify your email. What you have to do is simply enter your email address over here. After you do that, tap on this option send code. Now the email address matches. You can see over here the code will be sent to your email. So simply open the Gmail. You can see over here Microsoft will send you the code. What you have to do is tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to see the code. Now go back to the application. Now what you have to do is enter the code over here. Now after you do all that, you can see over here you'll be connected to that particular PC or laptop. That means now your Android and Windows has been connected. So that is how you link Android to Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.